Hi friends, welcome back to the Vegan Lovely channel. I'm Tanuja and today I'm going to show you my recipe for these gâteaux piment, which are a very popular Mauritian snack. They are a street food actually. So gâteau means cake and piment means chili. So they are basically yellow split peas that we grind and mix with herbs and spices and some aromatics, and then we fry them. So they are either shaped into little balls like these, or the more traditional version is the donut shape. And I've also baked some fresh French baguette today, which is how we love serving this gâteau piment. So if you are interested in this recipe, continue watching. With 2 cups or about 400 grams of yellow split peas, you'll get about 40 small fritters or 25 medium donut-shaped ones. Once rinsed a few times, leave them to soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. Once soaked, drain the yellow split peas thoroughly. This step matters. Too much moisture will make the fritters dense inside, or they will not hold together properly. Grind them to a coarse paste using a hand blender or food processor. You do not want it completely smooth. This gives these fritters their characteristic texture. This is what you're looking for. It should hold together when pressed, but still feel slightly grainy. Add the chopped herbs, coriander and green onions, fennel seeds, salt, and cumin. Green chilies, they are an essential ingredient in gâteau piment. I sometimes find it a little difficult to get this particular kind of green chilies. So if you cannot find green chilies, or maybe you don't want them to be as hot, you can either leave them out or substitute them with chili flakes or chili powder or cayenne pepper, which I think makes this recipe more widely accessible. If using green chilies, add them to the paste. Mix everything together thoroughly. You may also mix by hand until evenly combined. The mixture should hold together but not feel wet. Take small portions of the mixture and shape them loosely between your fingers. Do not press them too tightly. Keeping them slightly loose helps the center cook properly. If you're making slightly larger fritters, you can form a small hole in the center to help heat circulate. I find a chopstick to be quite handy for this. You may also use your pinky finger to make the hole if you're making them even larger. Heat oil in a deep saucepan over medium heat. Insert a chopstick into the oil to test the temperature. When you see steady bubbles coming out, the oil is hot enough. Carefully lower the cakes into the hot oil. If the oil is too warm, the fritters will turn out soft. And if it's too hot, they will cook quickly on the outside, while the inside will remain uncooked. Fry, turning occasionally until golden brown and cook through. Adjust the heat if needed so they brown gradually without darkening too quickly. Once ready, remove and drain on absorbent paper. They are very crunchy and inside is fluffy. I think you love them. They're best eaten warm, and like I mentioned at the beginning, we love serving them in French baguette. If you've enjoyed this recipe, you can find the full written version on the blog. I'll leave the link in the description below. And thank you for cooking along with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.